Okay, so this is a sloppy unboxing of PS5. We're planning on doing a unboxing, but okay, like a YouTube video like the YouTubers do, but we just do with this. Okay, so it already has a controller. Oh, there's a controller inside.
Should I do it the way that guy in the Philippines did?
Yeah. Gag. Okay, let's see.
This side has the logo.
Oh, okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay. And then okay. Okay, it has the manual. Okay, manuals.
Power.
The power.
The controller.
Oh, okay. Unbox the controller very nicely.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavier than our our usual controller. Okay, like the PS4. Okay. And okay, what else is in there?
HDMI cable.
HDMI cable. What's that?
A stand, I guess.
Is that the stand? Okay.
No, that's the HDMI. That one's the USB.
Okay. Holy hold. Okay.
The Holy Grail.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Of course, you guys know what's inside, but we're just doing an unboxing here. Oh, be careful. Gosh, you got no room. Okay.
Don't have any room.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Take those. Okay. Oh, and there's the unit. Ta-da! Nice. Oh, how is it oriented? Like is that like supposed to be?
It can be sideways or like
No, this one is the top, right?
Yep.
Okay, has some USB ports right there. Oh, stand it. Okay, there is my husband's PS5. Let me do a. Okay, so there's only one controller, so you're only gonna be playing that yourself. Okay, time for shopping for games. And of course, another controller for me. Okay, so this is his Christmas, late Christmas gift. So yeah, we're gonna shop for games after the snow. Okay, peace out. Peace.